friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm super excited because I have the Tribe palette from Juvias Place. I just got it in the mail today, finally. As you were seeing this video, it is the night before. It is Friday, December 14th at 8 o'clock p.m. I worked all day long and I got this in the mail today, so I'm filming it because I really wanted to get the video up for you tomorrow, the day you're seeing this, so I hope this comes out good because I am excited. I have high hopes. I love Juvias Place. If you guys are new here, then I guess I should tell you that Juvias Place has my absolute favorite eyeshadow formula. I'm obsessed. It does not do wrong for me. The only time I've ever struggled with the Juvias Place shadow was the matte blue in the Afrique palette. It was a little weird, kind of lackluster, just not what I wanted in a blue eyeshadow, but other than that, I've had nothing but beautiful experiences with Juvias Place. They are affordable, the color stories are amazing, they are just such a good indie brand. I love that company. This palette right here retails for $20. You get 9 shades. That breaks down to $2.22 per eyeshadow. And when you see inside, you will see how good of a deal that is because these shadows are huge. Oh, it's so cute. I love this lime green packaging. Their palettes are just beautiful. I want to get shadow boxes just for my Juvias Place palettes. Oh, it's so pretty. This is my first time looking at it in person. Oh my gosh. This color story makes my heart skip a beat. I literally wasn't planning on buying any more eyeshadow palettes this month, but then they announced that this was gonna drop in like a day or two, so I bought it on launch day. I just want to touch some of these. I don't do swatches ever, but I just really want to touch these shimmer shades. Ooh! I'm dying over here. Holy cow. Oh, I'm the queen of swatching. Oh, these are so pretty. Actually, you know what? I'm going to dip in this Coral shade and try to highlight with it because I didn't do highlight on my face for that specific reason. Obviously, this isn't marketed as a highlight, but ooh. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. That's not bad. Why do I love this so much as a face highlight? Holy cow, that's so pretty. That's like the perfect white gold for pale skin. Love it. Alright, so we're gonna do a look. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna have fun. I'm literally just gonna do this look and take it off and edit and upload it and go to bed. Really quick, I'm just priming with my Smashbox lid primer. I did just repurchase this. I've decided that I don't really like the Fenty eyeshadow primer. I've already pre-filmed a bunch of videos, so you'll see in those videos that I am using the Fenty one. It's because they're older than this one currently. I'm so happy I repurchased this. I love this eyeshadow primer so much. It works so well. There might be glitter on my face from my look I was wearing all day today, so just ignore it. I'd like to try to use as many of these shades as possible, honestly. I'm gonna start by taking San, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I'm just taking it on a tapered blending brush. And I'm just gonna start tucking that in the outer corner and then running it through the crease. That's a cool color. I wasn't sure if this would look more green or blue on my eyes because I wasn't sure just by looking in the pan, and I'm still not sure. Oh, it's so cool. Juvias Place comes through with the unique shadows. I will give them that. They create colors that just totally, I don't know, they make me question everything. It's like they invent colors, it's crazy. I'm just gonna leave the lower lash line blank because I'm gonna do something else with it later, I think. You know what, I think I wanna kind of wing this shadow out. I've been doing that a lot. We're just gonna blend this right above what we just did. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's such a pretty green, holy cow. Oh my gosh.
If there's one reason to smile, it's when you look up out at night. You're fortunate enough to drink in a vista.
I already love this so much, holy cow. Now I'm taking Masai, I think is how you say that. I'm really excited for this neon lemon color. And that is gonna go right above what we just blended again, just to create that gradient. Oof, oof. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't think I've ever been happier. This is so pretty. This is the kind of color story I live for. I'm just taking that first brush with no additional product just to I don't know, just kind of re-intensify that first blue shade. Oh, this is all coming together so pretty so far, I think. Oh. I don't think you guys have ever seen me happier, for real. Now I want to take Kuba, this really pretty shimmery blue, and I want to pack this all over my lid. Oh my gosh. I didn't spray my brush. I'm not using a glitter glue or anything. It's just perfect. Oh my gosh. I just pre-filmed my Blue Color Theory series video, and had I known that this shadow existed, this would have been one of my favorite blue eyeshadows. And I've only used it once and I already know that. So now I want to take this Ashanti, if I'm saying that correctly, shade. I just have this really random dual-ended pencil and shadow brush. I'm taking it on the shadow side, just on the tippy top of it. Oh, I love this color. It's so grungy. I'm gonna start smoking this out underneath the lower lash line. Ooh, yeah, that's a cute color. Ooh, I know it's just a brown, but it says a beautiful grungy brown. I'm just gonna take that brush I was using with the blue, with no additional product, just to merge this outer corner together. Now I'm gonna take this Curla shade right here. I always butcher these names, I'm so sorry. I'm just taking that on the pencil brush side of that brush. And I'm gonna start just kind of popping it right here. This is unnecessary. I'm honestly just trying to use a lot of the shades at once, just because I really want to. But I'm just focusing that in this front portion of the lower lash. And I'll just blend it out with the other side of that brush that we used with the brown. Although I like the way that looks a lot, so I'm just gonna carry that through just a tad bit more. Making the brown kind of irrelevant, but whatever. We used it. Now I feel like we need some more of that San matte bluish greenish shade. I'm gonna start by highlighting my inner corner with this shade called Chaga. We'll see what that looks like. If I don't like it, I'll just go over it with that Coral shade that we used to highlight my face, but since I highlighted my face with it, I figured I'd use a different shade for the inner corner. Yeah, it's a little dark for my preference on my skin tone for my inner corner, so I'm just gonna go over it with that lighter shade. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm mixing that light green and that light yellow just to smoke in this outer corner. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. This is the full look. I hope you like it. I'm so happy. The lashes I have on are the Flutter Lashes Selfie lashes. These were my favorite lashes around this time last year. I'm trying to decide if I even still like them or not. I feel like they're just so small now compared to what I wear, and I used to think these were so long and pretty. On my lips I have Tasty from Jeffree Star. This is one of the new exclusives to the mini lip bundle. That's nudes, and I wasn't even gonna get this, but there were 2 shades in it that were exclusive to the box only, so I had to buy it. But I'm so happy because this shade alone is so pretty. It's like the perfect grungy cool tone brown, and it fits with this look so perfect. I feel like a swamp goddess. I'm super happy. This palette did not disappoint me so far. I've used a lot of the shades. I think the only shade I didn't really use was this one. I mean, I didn't really use this one, but I mean, I'm really happy so far. I can't wait to keep playing with it. Let me know what you think of this look and this palette. Did you get it? Do you want it? Let's chat about it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I normally post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but starting tomorrow is my Christmas week. I will have a Christmas related makeup tutorial up every single day from tomorrow till next Saturday. So stick around for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.